Hey, what's going on, man? What's going on? Back with a new video, I guess. But this time I'm gonna do it a little bit differently. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try to host it and speak throughout everything that I'm doing as far as updating my computer. I built the PC around January of last year, which was 2022, and in the midst of that, I think we was going through like a GPU crisis and all that. All right, what's up, what's up, what's up? Here, make a video to basically show how I'm gonna update my PC. I just got a new graphic card and I'm excited about that for sure. I'm nervous about it because I know it's gonna pull a lot of energy, but more or less we're gonna get it done. So without further ado, let's see what we got. So right off the bat, I mean, I took it out the box already. We got this monster of a GPU. This is a MSI 3090 Ti Supreme. I'm updating from a Gigabyte 3070, you know what I mean? So that's gonna be a major update. Along with that update, I had to get a new battery or whatever, PSU. I was running an 850 MSI. I'm updating into an A1000, and you know, we're gonna check it out and see how it works. All right, so we're taking this battery out of here, which is the A50GF or whatever, and we putting this new A1000 in. All right, so let's check this out, see what's going on. Tools. You know what? I'm gonna need both hands. Hold on. So we got this. Check this out. Now I'm hoping I could just unplug and plug, right? That'd be a perfect world, man. It really will. Or I'm gonna have to do all of that over, and that's not what I'm looking forward to. So let's see how similar these two things are. First, let's check this out, man. This is what we're looking for right here. This should plug directly into that. You know what I mean? That should plug directly into that. So let's find that. Looking at the plastic of it. All right, let's see what we got up in here. It's this one. 600 watt. Yep, it's 1-to-1. This is a 1-to-1 right there, man. Yep, it's the one I wanted right here. See, they tried to get me earlier. They gave me this. They gave me this. I don't know if you can see it. Gave me that right there, man. That's not it. You see that? You see the difference? Right there. I didn't have that. I needed that. So I got it. But yeah, 600 watts. It's one cord. And then you would have had to plug all three up. That would have been crazy too. He wasn't trying to do that. GPU installed, man. So now we just gotta see what the score is. Let's see what the numbers say. I could tell you anything, but when we compare these numbers, we're gonna really see what's going on. Very briefly, I ran a GPU test on the 3070 right before the upgrade to get a comparable benchmark between the two. According to Cinebench, the 3070 came in first place of its class with a 9843. So you see we updated GeForce 3090 Ti. The numbers is in, let's see what we got. And damn, came in number one according to this ranking. 19,717. Numbers is good according to that. So, hey, look like we did it. A successful upgrade from 3070 to a 3090 Ti. I might just rock with this until the 5 series come out. I might skip the 4 series in total, or unless they get real cheap. I caught this one. Caught this one for $800. If I can catch 4090 for around that same price, I'll do it again. But if the 5 series is coming out right around the same time, then I guess I would just wait to see how, depending on how this is flowing. I mainly want to just start getting into video production, 3D design, a lot of AI things as far as like Nerf radiant fields and everything. They got the Gaussian splatting that I'm definitely interested in. But yeah, just basically utilizing that 24 VRAM, 24 gigs of VRAM. So yeah, man, I'm excited to put it to work. I'm nervous about my Con Edison bill, but hey, man, Tesla would have gave us this shit for free, all right? So checking out, man, that's been my video. Thank you for watching.